Hi guys, this is this channel. Come back to my channel. So, regarding story is to troubleshoot this Pajero. This is Pajero is this model is this one. B97 B97 B95 WLYXLW. So engine 6G74. So now proceed to tab. This is a 3.5. So this problem is they have a blank check engine. So actually I troubleshoot this one. So this one they have a loss. What is loss? This is the sensor of this is the sensor airflow sensor, this one. So this sensor is lost. So now the engine is the panel is that they have a blinking. So like this one, I show you this one. Now I return now already. So I show you this one. This is actual troubleshoot. So I start the engine. So if you see this one, they have a check engine. Okay, did you see this one? So the actually before this one, the RPM is up and down because that the airflow sensor is disconnect. Lost contact. So now they have a check engine. So what is the technique? How to delete this one without computer? So now I off the engine. So I off the engine. So this is a Mitsubishi Pajero. So you see this one. Now what is the technique to how to delete the blinking the check engine to without computer? So this one actually this is the first option. So pull out this negative sign, negative battery cable. Okay. Now you put after 60 seconds or 1 minute. 60 seconds, 1 minute. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 60 seconds, right? 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So now proceed. So this one actually this one before is a loss. This is the airflow sensor. This is the air. Do you see? They have airflow sensor. This is a part number. So before I troubleshoot this one, they have a loss like this one. So the problem is lost contact. So make it pause this one. So I already pause now. This is the airflow sensor. This is the throttle body. So now I pull out already the negative sign of this battery. Positive, bro, it's only negative side. Okay. I think this is I see almost wait a minute, 1 minute more. After 1 minute, I connect this one. I will show you to the delete or not delete. So wait for this one. I check the oil first. Okay. So this unit is 3.5 Pajero. So check the okay. It's already okay. I see the time. Now it's already finished. So I put the I will check first. Positive sign. So wait, I make it additional this water for the top up of levels. This one. So wait. I think it's already finished. No, it's only 1 minute, so 2 minutes. So I put the side, this one. So I make it tight. I will check delete or not delete this one or erase. Okay, tight already. Double check the sensor, the airflow sensor, this one. Okay. So I will make it start. I show you this one would delete or not delete. I will check. On the engine. Start. Now you see? Oh, it's already delete. I off the engine. If you see this one, you see? This one you see? They have like a check engine. So I will start. Before they have a lighting before, right? So I make it revolution. Now it's already finished. So this is this channel. Thank you very much. It's already finished. This one, the troubleshooting. I will make it close this one because actually it's already time. It's already time the 5 o'clock. I don't know. I will make it go outside. I will check this one. Okay. I will make it rotate outside. No, only here workshop. But I will check and issue this one. Because now it's already time in Saudi Arabia, it's already 3:40. So my time is already here at 4 o'clock out. So now it's already finished. So now it's good now. So already finished the troubleshoot. How to dismantle the fuel filter and install. So this is Dick's channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your support. Shout out all my friends, Abu Hamad, Abu Umar, Ulysses Hamilton, Onat TV, shout out siya bro, Bundol TV, Alleged TV, Ginob Santiago, Ayings TV, shout out my brother in Philippines now, and it's already vacation, Vincent channel. Shout out Serapin family, shout out Impialis family, Villa Gonzalo family, Silva family. Shout out everyone. Thank you. This is Dick's channel. This is my sign. Also shout out all Batong Bata Paper. Shout out all of you. Come to Bata with me, Dick's channel. You can buy also beef city. Thank you. This is Dick's. Chu salute. Chua bro. This is Dick's. Please subscribe my channel.